Hello guys, so it's been a few days since I picked up the camera, but we are going to do a little self-care Sunday. I made myself a little espresso martini, took a shower, I washed my hair with Olaplex, and now we are going to do a mask. The TGIN mask. This is my second time using this mask. I actually really liked it the first time, so we're going to use it again. But because I'm tired of wigs and I said F it, I've been wearing a V-part wig. Before I was wearing glue, quick weaves until I got my wig. So now I have heat damage in the front of my hair. But that is okay, because it'll grow back and I don't care at this point. But so that's why I think I'm going to use this mask for a couple of weeks, for a couple of months every week to see how my hair takes to it. But we are going to be steaming my hair. This is the Vanity Planet facial steamer, but you can also use it for your hair. I'm going to be using it for both today. I'm going to put in that mask and then steam my hair with this for 15 minutes. While I do that, I'm going to sit with this hydrating mask from Neutrogena. I absolutely love this mask. It's just a sheet mask. I'm going to sit with that on my face. I also want to show you guys this. It's a little dusty, so don't mind it. When I got the Vanity Planet steamer, I also picked up their travel mirror. It's the one that has the lights on it. So this, and the light changes colors, or like tones. Like this one's more warm, this one's cool, this one's more white. And it's like the perfect size to like put in your purse to carry with you to travel. So I also picked that up today. So if you see me looking like off to the side, it's because I'm looking in this mirror. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Getting late, so that's why the lighting is different, because the sun is going down. But I just got done steaming my face, and even already it just looks very glowy. I'm gonna go ahead and put on these eye masks just because my under eyes are really dry. So while I'll put that on, put my serum on, and I'm gonna rub that into my face with my roller. The serum I'm using today is from Murad. They sent this to me. This isn't sponsored or anything. They did just send this to me though to review and make content with. It's gifted, but this isn't a sponsorship or anything. So this is their Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum. And I have, as you can see, a lot of dark marks from acne. So I've been using this twice a day. If you do use this during the day and you go out, make sure you definitely put some sunscreen on. Because you don't want that to cause you to have more dark spots. Like if you use this and no sunscreen, it could create more dark spots. So make sure you are using sunscreen. And that's just with any type of spot, dark spot remover. You make sure you definitely want to use sunscreen. I'm going to be using this dark spot treatment. And then I'm also going to be using my Believe Aqua Bomb overnight mask. I'm going to sleep with this just so I can make sure I get all of the moisture into my skin as possible, since my pores are open. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So my camera's actually dying, so I have to make this really quick. But I put this mask on, and then I did some gua sha. I did like a TikTok, so I'll insert the TikTok so you guys can see that process. But now I've decided that I'm gonna do my lashes. So I'm going to tag Downtown Living. I'm gonna tag my previous video that I did on how I do my individual lashes so you guys can see, but my camera's dying, so I will most likely talk to you guys tomorrow. You're too far away.
vanity.